Welcome back to Techie Bay YouTube channel, the home of technology and money making ideas. Kindly like this video, share, and hit the subscribe button to get more updates from us. In this video, I want to teach you guys how you can create any YouTube video with an article, or how you can convert any article to a YouTube video for free without spending anything at all, without spending any money, all for free. So guys, if you want to convert your articles to YouTube videos, what you have to do is go to Play Store and search for an app called Narrator's Voice. So this is the app here, guys. The app is called Narrator's Voice. You click on the download button. If you don't have it already in your phone, right here I have it already in my own phone, so I just have to click open. This app is for free, guys. This app is free. You don't have to pay for anything. You don't pay for any feature, no VIP, nothing. The only thing you can pay for is for the premium, but that's just less. That's not compulsory. It's not mandatory for you to do that. Generating a video is just for free. So what you have to do, guys, is you go to any blog or any website you want to copy article from, then you copy the article and paste it here without doing any other thing. So let's take, for example, you want to copy an article from CNN or okay, let's search for let's just say Donald Trump. Or okay, let's say right now what we're having a Ukrainian crisis. So let's just say Ukraine news. Let's just say Ukraine news. Then we look for an update, a news. Okay, let's take a news on CNBC live updates. Okay, so it says attacks on Mariupol still works intensify as Russia looks to end standoff, faith of Ukraine's Donbass in the balance. So, so this is a news. This is an article. So we're gonna download this image as a featured image of our video. Then let's take, for example, you want to copy the first 10 lines of this news. You can copy as much as you want, but right here for this video we're gonna make use of only 10. So that's it, guys. You copy the text and go back to the app. Yeah, this is an ad. It actually disturbs, but if you don't want the ad, you can actually pay. You can pay for the premium plan for you to get rid of the ad, but it's not compulsory. It's not mandatory, guys. So you click here, you paste the article here. So you click on the translation effect or the settings. They look for any particular name or voice type you want, be it female or male. There are different set of voices here with different effects. So you take your test, you select your test, and the one you best like to make use of for your video. Let's take example. For example, I want to use Cortana. So after this, I click on the play button so we can know how the video will sound and what the effects look like.
Russia's progress in eastern and southern Ukraine is being closely monitored as its forces appear to have escalated assaults on those regions. Having refocused its attacks away from northern Ukraine and the capital Kiev, Russian forces are now looking to take full control of the Donbas region in eastern Ukraine in order to create a land.
That's it, guys. So right here, what we have to do now is to convert this article to video. We have actually converted this article to voice. The next thing is to convert it to video. We click on the share button here. You click on the share button and we click on convert to video. Then we click on cover image. All right, we now select this as cover image. So that is it. Look at it, that's not the cover image. Then you click on the convert to video, it takes a coin, convert to video. You wait for some seconds. Let's pause the video.
Progress in eastern
That's it, guys.
and southern Ukraine is being closely monitored as its forces appear to have escalated assaults on those regions. Having refocused its attacks away from northern Ukraine and the capital Kiev, Russian forces are now looking to take full control of the Don.
So it's simple as anything. It's simple as anything. You can just click on save on device, or if you want to share to YouTube, you click on share to your YouTube without anything at all, without doing any single thing, without paying, without much stress. You know, if you want to share to YouTube, you click on the share button, and the options come around. You select YouTube as an option to share. So you now put the details, the YouTube details you want, the metadata and everything. That is it. You can see that you have created a YouTube video without saying a word, without doing anything. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. See you next time, guys.